from? Where are you from?
From England, but I live here. Ooh la la! The guy here with the blow dart. So, yeah, pull like this. Really, really nice. Good groups of tourists everywhere here. I've not seen Kuta Beach this busy for a long, long time. Groups of tourists here. Look at this. Oh, so many. Very, very busy here. Buddha heads, eagles, Bali, tree of life. How are you, brother? This is the Chunum, yeah? This is the Chunum. Got a special thing. This is your swimming pool area here at the Chunum. Got available Smirnoff Ice, Coca-Cola, blackjack, bintanga right now. Good afternoon, early evening from Bali, Indonesia. So I'm here in the Kuta area of Bali. It's just before 6 p.m, so getting ready for sunset time here at Kuta Beach. And what I'm going to feature in today's video for you is a beach walking tour from the Kuta Beach side to the main Kuta Beach gate entrance. So as I'm walking along the track, I'm going to take in all of the activity on the beach here around about sunset, which should be quite busy. Quite a few drinks and food sellers also along the back of the beach. So I'm going to give you just a general idea of what you can expect from this section of beach here in the Kuta area of Bali. So without any further ado, let's go and take a beach stroll here in Kuta. Okay, so this is a start point for today's video. This is the gate entrance leading up to the Kuta Art Market, the big building, what you can see on the right hand side there. Also leads up to Kartika Plaza and Kuta Square area. We're going to be heading in this direction today. So we've just come down here. This is the Shelter Cabana and Baruna, as it's called, right in front of the camera there now. A few people sat down there. Just to the right here we have a collection of local warungs. Lots of cheap food and drinks available from these places here. Not too busy at the moment. There's a few Western tourists in the back there, I see. Simple foods and drinks, Indonesian, Western dishes also available. And then here we are, you can see the sun's very low already. It's about to set, I think usually around about between 6:15 and 6:20. There's a Kuta Beach sign there. Just step down onto the beach here. Wow, it's beautiful looking sky that. It's quite busy here actually. Mostly Indonesian. Do see a few tourists mixed in amongst the Indonesian. Mostly Indonesian. Not sure whether they're here in Bali or whether they're domestic. Quite a few actually look like domestic travelling here. Very, very busy on this section of beach in this direction. That's the way heading towards Discovery Shopping Mall in German Beach. People in the ocean here as well. Families, kids. Nice to see it busy. Wow, beautiful. Let's go and take a stroll up in this direction. You see there's beanbag seating here, people having their drinks. There's only snacks usually available from this section of beach here. Oh, there's quite a few tourists in this section here. We have a man selling. How are you, brother?
Hello, good.
Wow.
How are you, man?
Good.
You good?
People sat here on the beanbags under the trees.
Where you from, man? Where you from? Where you from?
From England, but I live here. Ooh la la! No. Okay, let's leave that man alone and walk in this direction, get on the path. Let's see what's going on the path here. Someone just getting dropped off there on the motorbike. And here's all of our drink sellers. So here's some of the drinks what are available. Smirnoff Ice, Coca-Cola, blackjack, bintanga right now. Bintang Radler, Bintang Crystal, traditional Bintang. All there from the sellers. A little kiddies play park at the back here also. Kiddies playing in the sand there. So you've got lots of sellers and people here at the back of the beach. Some wood carvings and things here, tree of life. Wow, we've got lots of music coming from up here. It's copyright music. We'll just head into the beach and then we'll bring you in there in a moment. It's coming from the Chunum hotel. People here sat on the beach as well. Under here. Just walk through. Wow, quite a few tourists actually in this section here now. Nice to see. Just walk through all of the middle here of all the tourists, big groups of tourists here. Wow, this is all Western tourists, no Indonesian here. So good to see. Some here as well. Maybe having a massage.
Sorry?
Okay, and then just off a beach section there, we have the, this is the Chunum, yeah? This is the Chunum. Got a special thing. Let's just go through and show you the swimming pool area here at the Chunum. Is it okay, just show the swimming pool? This is the swimming pool area here at the Chunum. Quite a few people in the back there having the meal. Seating down here as well. So just coming out of the Chunum there, we'll walk along the track a little bit. Lots of sellers here. Guys selling wood carvings and things here. Buddha heads, eagles, Bali, tree of life. How are you, brother? Some selling clothes, towels, sarongs, things of that nature. Wow, I'm going to cut back in here again. Big groups of tourists here. Look at this. So many. Very busy here. So many. And just back on the path from there. Turtle over there. Sea turtle. I'm just going to cut back in here. It's a big group of Australians. I'm not sure whether they're all together, whether they're just groups combined together. It's very busy though. It's super busy over here. I think they're all together, the group there. Good groups of tourists everywhere here. I've not seen Kuta Beach this busy for a long time. So nice to see. A group here. I'm going to cut down onto the beach again here now. Wow, super busy. I really don't like making videos unless it's like this. Prefer to walk through crowds of people and it be silent and nobody around. It's beautiful. It's really great vibes when I see this masses of people like this. It's really nice. There's plenty of tourists though as well. It's not just Indonesian here. The ocean's coming right up now. Wow, look at this. So the sun's set in the distance there. Wow. Nice. Super busy all the way along the beach. Maybe I'll be back here soon just to make another video of a continuation. Now we've arrived at the Kuta Beach gate entrance. And the Indonesians stood on the back here. So it's pretty much the same all the way along the track, just lots of sellers and people there. Selling clothes and things here. Alley bar here. Drinks again there.
Yes, boss. Alley bar here.
How are you, brother?
Good.
Heineken, Sinaraja, all the bintangs here.
See you.
This guy's nice and friendly. The guy here with the blow dart. Yeah, there's a blow dart there. Someone has these as well for sale. Interesting.
Okay.
Thank you, brother. I think he thought I was going to buy the blow dart. So this is the street of Jalan Pantai Kuta now. Lots of restaurants and shops and things along the street here. This way heading towards Poppies Lane 1, Poppies Lane 2, Jalan Benasari, Beach Walk Shopping Mall. All in that direction. Okay, so that concludes today's video, my short stroll along the section of Kuta Beach here in the Kuta area of Bali. So as you saw with the camera in this early evening, late afternoon's video, very vibrant scenes here, lots of people on the beach relaxing and enjoying themselves. Good mix of international tourists and Indonesian. I think a lot of the Indonesian was domestic from other various parts of Indonesia visiting Bali, but really great scenes. So at the start of the video you had a collection of warungs there. You want some nice simple foods, Western and Indonesian foods in this area, and then all along the back of the beach you've got a lot of sellers selling wood carvings, clothes, sarongs, things of that nature, also serving all of your drinks along the back of the beach there. So all in all, really great vibes here at Kuta Beach. So happy to see the masses of people here enjoying and relaxing here at Kuta Beach. And on that note, hopefully you've enjoyed this early evening video. Hope someone will find this video useful, and if you're staying in the Kuta area, by all means come and pay this section of Kuta Beach a visit, and I shall say bye for now.